There's much regret. I won't want moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are half-beat away, then the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. I will feel eternity. Ambot lang to, gagmatin kung maka-ahon tayo sa kantang to. Laban lang, Mamshi. I live to be the very best. I want it all. No time for less. I've laid a plan. Now lay the chance here in my hands. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with the destiny. Pahuli. Kasi pupunto ng ugat natin, guys. Thank you so much sa inyo po. Sir Boy, maraming salamat, Sir Boy. Sa kanta ko tuwang gabi. Infinity, thank you so much, Infinity ha, Miss Yalay. Thank you so much po sa inyo, guys. Ayan, meron na lang akong 10 minutes na lang talaga mga bebe. 10 minutes na lang. Okay. Ano pa bang kantay natin dito, guys? Okay? Okay. Wonderful ko na ito. Uy, maraming salamat sa pagkikinig sa Infinity TV. Thank you so much po. Siyempre, dyan sa mga nakabigibigi sa atin. Hindi ko alam mo ilan ba kayo dyan na dyan, guys. Thank you so much po. Yung pangat parang mahina ang dating niya dito. Kuya Rom, kung nandiyan pa. Thank you so much, guys. Itanong